Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect HFM to TradingView. First, understand that HFM, also known as HF Markets, is a global broker providing access to forks, commodities, and indices. TradingView, on the other hand, is a powerful platform for charting, technical analysis, and social trading. While direct integration isn't always straightforward, we'll cover an easy method to bridge these two platforms effectively, allowing you to execute trades from HFM based on your TradingView analysis. Before we dive into the connection, let's cover the essential setup steps. You'll need an active HFM trading account, which you can easily set up on their website. Next, ensure you have a TradingView account, whether it's the free version or a paid subscription. Finally, download and install the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform from HFM. This platform will act as the crucial link between your HFM account and your TradingView analysis. Now, let's discuss how to bridge these platforms. Log into your HFM trading account directly within the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform. Use TradingView primarily for its superior charting and strategy development. Once you identify a trading opportunity on TradingView, manually execute that trade on your HFM MetaTrader platform. This method ensures you leverage the best features of both platforms. To optimize your workflow, consider setting up alerts on TradingView. These alerts can notify you of specific price movements or indicator crosses, prompting you to check your HFM MetaTrader platform for execution. Always practice with a demo account first to familiarize yourself with this process before committing real capital. This approach minimizes risk and builds confidence. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the link in the description for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.